Hello guys, I want us to look at passing chord, okay, for today. So we are in the key of F, okay. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. The same as the do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti, and the do. Passing chord, I'm going to apply it in this particular song, Yahweh Sabaoth, okay. The part where it says, the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, okay. The first one I want to show you is this one. So what am I doing? I'm doing the F sharp, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the E, then I'm doing the A, the D, the F sharp, and the A. Okay. Then the first one we did is, okay, this is more of a suspended chord. I think so, I think the passing chord should be 3, okay. Okay, this one. I'm doing the A, the E. Right hand is doing the A, D, E, and A. Alright. Then the left hand will maintain the chords. Right hand will change. The right hand will do the A, C sharp, E, and G. Then we come to the 6th chord. Okay. The Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh La Sabaoth Fa, Yahweh Su Sabaoth La. Okay. Yahweh 6 Sabaoth 4 5 la 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 la. The same chord. La 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 fa so la. Okay, I hope this helps. I will see you in another video. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. Okay, bye.